fishing line or something in there. It looks like you might have some issues, but overall it looks like a pretty good design. All it is a handle that you hold on with two hands and you just pull the triggers. So we want to figure out, how do we put this battery in? It looks like this is the button for the battery, and that's pretty cool. It just pops open like that, really simple. And so this isn't sealed, so water is going to be getting in this compartment. So the rest of the sub or scooter is actually sealed on the other side of this battery compartment. So the battery is going to be filling up with water, but this connector here where it plugs in is going to be completely waterproof sealed. So kind of an interesting design, just like other subs. Let's see how this battery goes in. So we grab this big battery that came with it. This is the heavy part of it. And all we're doing is sliding it in, looks like. Never done this before, but there we go. That's it. Look at this massive cable. It's going to be pushing a lot of amps through. So this is a huge gauged cable, and of course they have to make it waterproof in there. A little bit weird because seems like you got to twist this cable around to make it right, and I'm hoping that's not going to mess up the waterproofing seal in here. So there's only one way you can plug it in. You see how it's kind of a D? So the left side is flat and then it circles around like a D, so there's only one way. And all we do is push it in and then screw this coupler in. Interestingly, it looks like it's screwing in reverse thread, so you have to counterclockwise screw it in. Don't know why, but that's how it's working. It looks like they did compensate for that bulk of that wire sticking up, so you can't really, from back here it won't fit, but once you get the door a little more forward, it drops in over the battery, and then you can continue on and push it. Looks like our locking switch is having a little bit of difficulty here. Let's see if we can get that to work. There we go. So again, pre-production model. So overall, as long as they can fix a few of these things in the final production, I'm okay with that.